back lot back there is it's just jammed full of RVs where he works on RVs.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, this is Dorothy again with Scrapbooking, and I am going to do project 2 for Pumpkin Spice Scrapbooking Kit. So that is, here's the instructions that come with the kit. So it's pumpkin spice, and this is project 2 down here. So let me go ahead. I've sorted everything out, and I'm just going to go ahead and take all the die cuts out of here. And this is real cute because there's a pumpkin frame in here for pictures. So these are made efficient use of the printing. Take all these little lines out, so that'll be showing some color through this little pumpkin. So we've got a leaf. That's probably a pumpkin stem here. This might be a pumpkin stem also. Little different color combinations. And this is probably like the little viney thing that comes off around the pumpkin stem, or that sometimes shows up there. So this is gray. So it's just a different kind of color scheme. And pardon my sniffing and coughing and what have you. Okay, let's see. There's another piece. I have no idea what this is, but we will find out. And here's another little pumpkin. Don't ever let anybody tell you that a sinus infection isn't contagious, because they are. Okay, let's see. Here's another piece. Some more. I have no idea what these pieces are. So we'll find out together. Here's a piece. Okay, and you know, I thought I was better than this. This just shows you what talking kind of shows up your flaws. So, okay, and this is probably layered on top of, look at all these little pop-out pieces, goodness. I bet you that goes on top of this thing here. There we go. So if you haven't seen Carlsbad Caverns, let me put in my opinion. It was just breathtaking, mind-boggling, leaves you speechless, because it's the grandness of it. I mean, one part, excuse me. Look at that. It's how cute is that? is one part of the interior is 8 acres of all different kinds of strange formations, and just amazing. But they have a ramp for walking down where they make it pretty simple, and there's handrails going down. So let me dump these little scraps. Okie dokie. Here we go. We did project 1. Here we go. Okay, so this is the piece that we cut, and I believe both of these pieces are exactly the same size. They're not. One's a little bit bigger, so let's see which one goes where. Okay, so A and B. So there's these. So see, there's a 1/4 of an inch difference. So A is smaller than the other. So we'll go with this one. And that is going to go on there, and then this strip of harbor is going on top. Whoops! Oh, I'm so sorry. Lord. Lordy, lordy. Made you dizzy. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some okay, so we're going to be 1 3/8 inches over. So so that's like right in here, and it's going to be 1 3/4 inches down from the top. So 1 3/4. So that's like right in here. And let me see if I can figure out. That is, you know what, I'm getting out. 1 3/8. And then it's going to be 1 3/4. So 1 3/4. So right here. Okay, there we go. That makes it easy. And then this is going to go on top. Very nice. Okay, now this is going to go like this. So you want this triangle in the top. And the way this is going to go down here. Oops. That's going to go down here. And let's see. We've got these little pieces. So this is going to go behind like this. And this is going to go behind like that. And then you get a picture back here. And then another piece down here, just like that. So I think what I'm going to do is put these on from behind. So that's going to go like this, and this one's going to go down there like that. Okay, so just do some little dashes. And oh, isn't that pretty? I like that a lot. Okay, so this is going to go like down around here, and it's going to go right up to almost to the edge. Okay, so we've got this, and okay, so these things get layered also. So let me put some adhesive. To go like this. Okay, so that's going to go in here, and this big leaf is going to go down like that, and the little curly Q is going to come out like that. And then this is what these are. So these are also stems. Okay, so that is going to go okay, I'm just putting some little dashes around. Okay, set that over here. Not quite. How about this way? Much better. Much, much better. There we go. And then this is going to go on the front here. And I think I'm out. I always forget how to how to do this one. Okay, let's see. So this is going to go like this, and then the leaf is going to go behind here. So we'll put some, stick them like that, and that's going to go like that. And then this is going to be a 3x4 going on top of that. So I'll just do a little reminder. Okay. I am going to run some glue along here, and it fits. I just did it. It fits like that. Okay, so I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this open here and this open here so pictures can be scooched in. And we're going to come down to like here. And this is going to go in here, and it's going to go like that. Okay, let me put my leaf down here. So it's going to pop out from here, and then our little curly Q is going to go like that. Okay, so we've got okay, so this is going to be on top of this one. So we'll stack that like that. Isn't that nice? And that one's going to go right in here. And this is, well, but that doesn't go on this page. But doesn't that look nice? Okay, so what do we have here? So they have a Hey There Pumpkin, and that's going to go here. And Welcome Autumn. I hear that. And that's going to go right up under here. So I'm going to put, because I already used Happy Fall Y'all, so I'm going to do it like this. And we have some little tags. You only use a part of them though. So that's going to be like this. And then I'll put this part back. And then this says gather, and we're just going to cut right under the gather. like right there, and then put it right along there and keep the gather. And then we've got a pumpkin going down here, which is this pumpkin. I think I'm going to pop this up. Okay, let's see. Attach large part die cuts, do not. Okay, so this is going to go like that. Okay, attach C, which is this. Color the wood stickers with yellow gold blends and darkest true blue markers as shown. So which gets the blue? So we're going to use this one, and I do like how these color. They really don't need it. They're lovely as they are. That's a, you know, just a really nice wood stain on them. But let me just see something. So if I put on more layers, does it look darker? And I think it does a little bit. And once again, it says to leave them on the back sticker sheet backing while you're coloring them. Because let me tell you something, once these puppies stick down, you're going to have heck to pay trying to get them unstuck. Okay, and this is going to go in there, and oh, I see. So there's like a little leaf. I get it. Okay. And there's some hearts. Let's see, a big heart and a small heart. Ooh, it even blends real nice on the wood. Nice. Okay, and then we're going to use the dark blue on a leaf. So like this leaf. So this is the Harbor color. It's just called True Blue Shades, and this is the darkest of the tri-blend marker in this blue. Okay, so let's very amazingly sticky. And let me get my blue leaf off of here. Let's see what else we have. I mean, there's a couple of acorns. Did you hear Ginger? She's down there peeping. Okay, so there's, okay, and maybe a couple of acorns here. And I'm gonna make, I know acorns aren't blue, but I'm gonna make one blue. And the other one, whoops. It's kind of a small acorn too, so I think I'll use this. So this acorn and this acorn, these feel, they have a really strange feel to them. So such different item than we've used before. Okay, so these little acorns are going to go down here. God, the acorns look so good in this wood. So perfect. There we go. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, so cute. And then we get another sticker. So it's thankful for every moment. And that is going to go right in here. And I am going to put on 2 dots and let it hang over like that. I think I've got everything on here. And we will go on to page 2. So here we go. I don't know whether they're, I don't think the plaid makes a difference which way it goes. But that looks, looks better the other way. That's the way it goes. Okay. So, on to page 2. Okay, so this is completely different looking from the other one, from page 1. So we are going to go... So it's 1 1/4 down from the top and 1 1/4 over from the side. So right there. And this is going to be there, there, here, here, and here. Except this goes in like this, and that kind of does get tucked under there. Okay, so we're gonna Ginger's peeping and Daisy's snoring. So 7/8. 7/8 and 7/8, so that's there, and right there. And this is 7/8 and 5/8. So we're going to do 5/8 is right there, so let's see, 7/8 and then 5/8. Okay, and then these are just going to go like one line in between, like that. Five-eighths and 5/8. Like that. Okay. He is going to go right in here, and he's going to get popped up. Here we go. And that is going to, oh, I love that. Okay, so I'm just going to put some of my reminder things. That's a 4x4, and these are 3x3s. And then like this. And I tell you what, I have done both. I've both kept these on and put the pictures on top of them, and I've taken them off. So that's why I don't put a whole bunch of stuff on. Just because when you're going to a crop or a retreat, you don't want to have to think too much. You just want to get a whole bunch done so you feel really good about getting as much done as you can. Okay, so we have our stickers. Okay, where is it? It's right here. Could it be any bigger and just not hit me in the head? So this is going to go like this. And we're going to have, so like this is going to go under here. Oh, and the cute little boots. Okay. Boots and a little gourd. It's going to go here with an itty bitty acorn. Well, maybe not that acorn. So a little okay, so this gets I think there's supposed to be, oh, where's that 2x2 piece? That's what goes there. That's exactly what goes there. So it's a journaling card. And I'm just going to eyeball it right in between there. And put this little pumpkin up here. And put a little family gathering here. And all sorts of cute little things. Little bitty acorns. Like this little acorn is going to go here. And a little bitty leaf tucked behind the pumpkin, like that, or like that. Here's this pumpkin, which is this sticker, and this pumpkin. Okay, so I'm going to put this pumpkin down, and this pumpkin is going to go under here, because that's how I'm doing it, and then this little acorn is going to go down here, and and a leaf is going to get tucked under the pumpkin because, heaven forbid, I should do anything in the right order. So there's that little leaf. And then we've got big old pumpkin. Coral, wrong color. Although, to tell you the truth, a little coral in that pumpkin isn't half bad. Because what is a pumpkin? Anything but having some coral in it. So that's a multicolored pumpkin. Okay, so let's take the backing off here. Boy, I've got glue all over my brand new nails. Or brand new nail polish, I should say. So, of course, I went to my friends at Signature Nail Salon at Coit and 121 in Plano. So we have fun. I enjoy those ladies. And they always do such a nice job. I always feel so special going in there. Okay, I'm putting my pumpkin down right here. And I'll use a little bit of the anti-static pouch there. So we have this and the little grouping, and it looks like could put a little tiniest little okay, what else do we have here? And here we go. Come on, you can do it. And he is going to go right there. And you know what? I'm going to do what they say not to do. There we go. Do I have everything? Pumpkin, 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 acorn, acorn, leaf, this little grouping. One more acorn, because can you have too many acorns? I know we do in the backyard. Okay, I think that's it for number 2, project 2. Okay, there we are. So this is project 2 for Pumpkin Spice Scrapbooking Kit, and totally cute. Picture, and then all these pictures. and then the journaling space. So once again, this is Pumpkin Spice Scrapbooking Kit. And I'm Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and it's dorothy.closetomyheart.com to get this kit. And it's a super fun kit to do, not hard to do, and you can be ready for all of your autumn pictures, all of the pumpkin patch pictures that are coming up. Well, they can start anytime now. I've seen pumpkin patches already. So take care and make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel and shop with me at dorothy.closetomyheart.com. Thank you. Bye.